The year is 2030, a time when the boundaries of imagination and reality have blurred, giving rise to a world that once only existed in the pages of science fiction novels and the frames of futuristic films. Imagine a city where sleek silver vehicles zip effortlessly through the sky. These flying cars, with their aerodynamic designs and silent engines, have revolutionized the way we think about commuting. This is not a scene from a science fiction film, it is the reality of urban transportation. The skies above our cities are now bustling with activity, as these advanced vehicles navigate their way through the air. Flying cars, once a futuristic fantasy, have become as commonplace as traditional automobiles. They are no longer a distant dream but an integral part of our daily lives. These vehicles, powered by advanced electric engines, navigate a complex network of aerial corridors. These corridors are meticulously planned to ensure smooth and efficient travel, reducing the time spent commuting. They weave between towering skyscrapers, their movements orchestrated by sophisticated AI systems that ensure safety and efficiency. These AI systems constantly monitor the skies, making real-time adjustments to prevent collisions and optimize traffic flow. Below the bustling air traffic, the streets are no less impressive. The ground level of our cities has also undergone a remarkable transformation. Gone are the days of traffic jams and congestion. The streets are now a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. Instead, smart roads embedded with sensors and AI-powered traffic management systems optimize vehicle flow. These systems communicate with each other and with the vehicles, ensuring a seamless and efficient transportation network. These roads communicate with cars in real time, adjusting speed limits and traffic signals to prevent bottlenecks and reduce travel times. The result is a city where travel is not only faster but also more enjoyable. The transformation of our cities extends beyond transportation. Every aspect of urban life has been reimagined and redesigned to create a more efficient and sustainable environment. Buildings themselves have become marvels of engineering and sustainability. They are designed to be self-sufficient, reducing their reliance on external resources. Self-sustaining skyscrapers adorned with lush vertical gardens rise towards the clouds. These gardens not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the buildings but also contribute to the city's air quality. These green giants generate their own energy through solar panels and wind turbines, minimizing their environmental impact. They harness the power of the sun and wind to meet their energy needs. They also recycle water and waste, contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable urban environment. This closed-loop system ensures that resources are used efficiently and waste is minimized. This is the city of 2030, a symphony of technology and nature where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. It is a testament to human creativity and our ability to build a better future. Step into the shoes of a citizen in 2030, and you will experience a world seamlessly intertwined with augmented reality. Sleek AR glasses have become as ubiquitous as smartphones once were. These glasses overlay digital information onto the real world, enhancing our perception and interaction with our surroundings. Imagine strolling down the street, your AR glasses providing real-time information about nearby restaurants, shops, and landmarks. Need directions? Your glasses project a virtual path, guiding you effortlessly to your destination. Attending a business meeting? Your glasses display virtual name tags and profiles of attendees, facilitating networking and communication. But AR glasses are not just for practical tasks. They also enhance our leisure and entertainment. Imagine watching a live concert where holographic performers appear on stage beside the real musicians. Or imagine visiting a museum where your AR glasses bring historical artifacts to life, allowing you to interact with the past in ways never before imagined. The line between the physical and digital worlds is blurring, and AR glasses are our window into this exciting new reality. In the homes and workplaces of 2030, AI-powered robots have become indispensable companions. These are not the clunky industrial robots of the past. They are sleek, sophisticated machines designed to seamlessly integrate into our lives. At home, robot assistants help with a multitude of tasks. They clean our houses, prepare our meals, and even assist with childcare, providing companionship and educational support to our children. These robots are more than just helpers. They are companions, learning our preferences and adapting to our needs. In the workplace, robots collaborate with humans, automating repetitive tasks and enhancing productivity. In factories, robots work alongside human workers, performing intricate assembly tasks with precision and speed. In offices, robots take on administrative duties, freeing up human employees to focus on more creative and strategic work. The rise of AI-powered robots is not about replacing humans. It is about augmenting our capabilities and creating a future where humans and machines work side by side. Section 4. The green arteries of tomorrow: intelligent and sustainable. The cities of 2030 pulse with a clean energy, reflecting humanity's commitment to environmental sustainability. These urban landscapes are a testament to our innovative spirit and our dedication to preserving the planet for future generations. Every building, every street, and every vehicle is a part of this grand vision. Gone are the days of smog-choked streets and the deafening roar of combustion engines. Instead, we now have serene, clean cityscapes, where the air is fresh and breathable. The transformation is not just in the air quality, but in the very essence of urban living. In their place is a symphony of electric vehicles powered by renewable energy sources. These vehicles glide silently through the streets, reducing noise pollution and contributing to a more peaceful urban environment. The shift to electric transportation has revolutionized how we move within our cities. Solar panels adorn the rooftops of buildings, capturing the sun's energy and converting it into electricity. This renewable energy source is a cornerstone of our sustainable cities, providing a reliable and clean power supply. The integration of solar technology into urban architecture is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Wind turbines gracefully slice through the air, harnessing the power of the wind. These towering structures are not just symbols of our commitment to green energy, but are also vital components of our energy grid. They work tirelessly to ensure that our cities remain powered by clean, renewable sources. These renewable energy sources power not only our homes and businesses but also the very infrastructure of the city itself. From streetlights to public transportation systems, every aspect of urban life is touched by this green revolution. The seamless integration of these technologies ensures a sustainable and resilient urban environment. Traffic flows smoothly and efficiently, guided by AI-powered traffic management systems. These intelligent systems are the backbone of our modern transportation networks, ensuring that vehicles move seamlessly through the city. They reduce congestion, minimize travel times, and enhance the overall efficiency of urban mobility. These intelligent systems optimize traffic light timing, adjust speed limits in real time, and even communicate with autonomous vehicles to prevent accidents and reduce congestion. The result is a safer, more efficient transportation network that benefits everyone. The harmony between technology and urban living is evident in every aspect of city life. The result is a transportation network that is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. This network supports a variety of green transportation options, from electric buses to bike-sharing programs, all designed to reduce our carbon footprint and promote a healthier lifestyle. The streets themselves are cleaner than ever before, thanks to a combination of electric vehicles and advanced waste management systems. These systems ensure that waste is efficiently collected, sorted, and recycled, minimizing the impact on the environment and keeping our cities pristine. Robotic cleaners patrol the streets, collecting litter and ensuring that public spaces remain pristine. These autonomous machines work around the clock, maintaining the cleanliness and beauty of our urban environments. The future of city living is not just intelligent and sustainable but also remarkably clean and efficient. Section 5. Homes of the future where comfort meets technology. Step inside a home in 2030, and you will enter a realm where comfort and technology exist in perfect harmony. These homes are designed to cater to every aspect of our daily lives, ensuring that we live in an environment that is not only efficient but also incredibly comfortable. The integration of advanced technology into our living spaces has transformed the way we interact with our homes, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Smart homes, once a novelty, have become the norm, their walls imbued with AI that anticipates and responds to our needs. These intelligent systems are capable of learning our routines and preferences, adapting to our lifestyle seamlessly. From adjusting the lighting to setting the perfect temperature, AI ensures that our homes are always in tune with our desires. Imagine waking up in the morning and having your smart home automatically adjust the lighting and temperature to your preferred settings. The gentle glow of the lights and the perfect warmth of the room create an ideal start to your day. This level of personalization extends to every corner of the home, making each moment spent indoors a delightful experience. As you step into the kitchen, your voice-activated AI assistant greets you by name, reminding you of your schedule for the day, and even suggesting recipes for breakfast based on your dietary preferences. This intelligent assistant can also help you manage your grocery list, order ingredients online, and provide step-by-step cooking instructions, turning meal preparation into a hassle-free activity. Throughout the day, your smart home works tirelessly to enhance your comfort and convenience. Whether it's adjusting the blinds to let in natural light, or playing your favorite music as you move from room to room, the home is constantly attuned to your needs. This continuous interaction between you and your living space creates a seamless and enjoyable living experience. It learns your habits, adjusting the heating and cooling to minimize energy consumption while ensuring your comfort. By analyzing your daily routines, the smart home can predict when you are likely to be home and adjust the temperature accordingly, leading to significant energy savings without compromising on comfort. It manages your entertainment system, seamlessly transitioning between music, podcasts, and audiobooks based on your mood. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or relaxing with a book, the smart home ensures that the perfect soundtrack is always playing, enhancing every moment with the right ambiance, and it provides a secure and protected environment, monitoring for any unusual activity and alerting you to potential threats. Advanced security systems include facial recognition, motion sensors, and real-time alerts, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or away. The smart home not only protects your physical space, but also safeguards your personal data with robust cybersecurity measures. The homes of 2030 are more than just dwellings. They are intelligent living spaces that adapt to our needs, enhancing our comfort, security, and overall well-being. These futuristic homes represent the pinnacle of modern living, where technology and comfort coexist to create an unparalleled living experience. As we continue to innovate and integrate new technologies, the concept of home will evolve even further, promising a future where our living spaces are not just places to reside, but environments that actively contribute to our happiness and quality of life.